You can't stop birds from flying over your head. Can you? Can you stop birds from flying over your head? But you can stop them from building a nest on your head. Hello? You can. I mean, the fact that you can't stop them from flying over you, can't you stop them from landing on you? If they want to land on you, you can stop them, isn't it? So, in the same way, you can't stop once in a while having some negative thoughts come to your mind, but you can stop them from landing. All right? Yes. You don't have to accept that thought. You don't have to keep that thought. You can let it pass and replace it with something else different. Point number 4.